Hello everyone, today we are going to perform a word count program using MapReduce. So I have note down every step in this Google Doc and I will be putting a link in the description below. So first of all, you will need a input.txt with some data in it. We are just going to count the words. So like hello is coming only once in this file. Amit is coming twice. Like this, we are going to get a count of every word. So first step, you have to start your Hadoop system. Start all.sh. It will take 10 seconds to run all the daemons of Hadoop. Okay, so I already had it running. Let me just stop and show you. 10 seconds again. Okay, I had it running, so that's why it showed some warnings. So now we will start all sh. 10 seconds. Okay, we are starting. Yes, we are good to go now. So once we have started our everything with Hadoop system, now just check GPS whether all our daemons are running or not. So our node manager, secondary node, node node, name node, data node, resource manager, everyone is working. Now we have to create a directory inside our Hadoop file system. So first of all, Hadoop -ls everything. Okay, fs -ls. It will show the all the folders or files inside your Hadoop file system. So I have something like test.zip, text.zip, nothing to worry. So we need to create this one Python word count and Python word inside Python word count. We have to create input directory. So we are just gonna do this. So created, and inside Python word count we will again create input folder. Okay, done. So now we have to put our this input.txt file inside our Hadoop file system. So we will do this command. This is a put command. Put command hyphen put. This is my home, my file system's the path where my input.txt file is, and then where I want to put it. I want to put inside word count folder and inside input folder. So I run, and now if we check -ls -r, you can see here inside Python word count I have input folder, and inside input folder I have input.txt. So the next step is create these two, mapper and reducer. So you have to do is just create some file named mapper.py, reducer.py, and put this code inside mapper.py and this code inside reducer.py. Accordingly, this is mapper.py. This one is reducer.py. I have put all the codes in this Google Doc. And the next step is you have to execute the command. This command has all the directory, and you have to change some things like your Hadoop version, your part directory, this directory where you have put your mapper.py, and this directory your reducer.py path, and where you want input. Your input is, and your output will be created inside Python word count folder. There will be one more directory named output. It will be automatically created. You don't need to create it separately. So we will just copy this command and paste it here, and you can see it is running our word count. You can see here mapping 100%, reducing 100%, everything is done, and output is saved in output directory. So to check output, you can use this command. This command basically is I will show you. So inside our output folder, we have these two files, success and part 00000. So we want to view this part 005. So we will use cat command, and this is our output. These are the words: hello comes once, YouTube once, Amit twice, like this. And you can also view it on your browser, going to this localhost 9870, in utility browse file system, and here in Python word count output part 00. Here is your output. Here is your output of your word count. Thank you everyone for watching. Hit like, subscribe, do comment. Thank you.